So let us look at comprehension, Linda's garage. So look at the picture in the story. Let us look at that picture. What is happening in the picture? We have a lady who is a mechanic who is fixing that car. In pairs, describe the picture. So we have a garage. We can see that because we have different cars. We have this car, this car, this car also. We have tools here, garage tools and other tools there. We also have different oils and stuff. So this is a garage. Then we have this lady mechanic. So the importance of that picture is even girls are allowed to do mechanics. Girls can also be mechanics. Boys and girls can be anything that they choose to be. Hazvinei kuti uri mukomana kana kuti uri musikana. Unogona kunge uri mukomana woti ndinofarira kubika, wova a cook, wova a chef, woita basa rekubika. Unogona kuti inangu ndiri musikana asi ndinofarira kugadzira mota. Woenda kuchikoro unodzidziswa mechanics, wova a mechanic. So you don't have to be limited because of who you are. Be it you are a boy or you are a girl, you are capable of doing anything you set your mind on. So that is the importance of that picture. Now let us read that comprehension. Linda is a young and renowned business woman. So renowned, what does it mean? It means respected. So Linda is a young and renowned or respected businesswoman. She owns one of the busiest garages in our neighborhood. Her garage is always a buzz of activities with cars, buses, and trucks. She is one of the most hardworking and trustworthy mechanics in Mambo, Gweru. I remember last holiday when we were supposed to visit grandmother and my father's car wouldn't start. We were all disappointed and helpless because our family mechanic, Mr. Mlambo, had gone to Zambia to purchase car parts. So what does the word purchase mean? The word purchase means to buy. So Mr. Mlambo had gone to Zambia to buy car parts. Fortunately, my brother mentioned that there was Linda's garage just behind the saloon. At first, my father was reluctant to take his car to a female mechanic. So what does reluctant mean? We can say reluctant means hesitant. And I will explain what the word hesitant means. So hesitant means kutyira. Murikuona zviri kuitika panapa. Linda munhukadzi ane garage. Baba ava vari kutya kuendesa mota yavo, kana kuti kwete kutya as such asi kutyira mota yavo. Saka vari kuzeza, I think that's the right word, kuendesa mota yavo kugarage raLinda because mukadzi. Saka the word reluctant means to be hesitant. At first, my father was reluctant to take his car to a female mechanic. What does that girl know about cars? He had asked. Bobby, my brother, replied and said that his head had once taken the school bus for fixing at her garage. Linda had done an exceptionally good job and the bus never had problems again. My father eventually gave in since he had no other alternative. So the word alternative means choice. He had no other choice. Their mechanic, Mr. Mlambo, had gone to Zambia to buy car parts. So he had no other choice, he had no other alternative. We pushed the car to her garage. It was spacious, had oily floors and was filled with old car parts, old wheels, and different types of car oils, spanners, tools, and machinery which I didn't know. When she saw us, she greeted us with a smile and gave us chairs to sit. She worked on the car with one of her assistant workers, Temba. In no time, the car was fixed and my father was impressed as she had done a perfect job. Comprehension questions 1. Choose the correct answer. So we are going to do that comprehension together. Comprehension questions 1. We want to choose the correct answer. Linda was a shop assistant. No, Linda was not a shop assistant. Linda was a mechanic, correct? Linda was a driver. No, he was not a driver. She was not a driver, remember? She's a lady. And Linda was a hairdresser. No, she wasn't. So the answer here is B. Linda was a mechanic. Where was the garage? So whose garage are we talking about? This is the garage of Linda. And we know that the garage of Linda was where? Mambo Kweru. So the answer here is B. It was not in Zambia. It is Mr. Mlambo, the mechanic of this family, who had gone to Zambia to buy car parts. Then we have been told nothing about Kadoma, nothing about Botswana. Why didn't the family mechanic fix the car? Nemakaye mechanic we family E asina kugadzira mota yavo. We know that he had gone to Zambia to buy car parts. A. He had gone to visit his grandmother. Incorrect. B. He had gone to purchase car parts. This is correct. C. He had gone to fix the school bus. Incorrect. It is Linda who fixed the school bus, as was said by Bobby. D. He was at the salon. Incorrect. Number 4. Where was the garage situated? So we know that the garage was situated close to the salon, as Bobby said. So behind the shops, incorrect. Next to the school, incorrect. In Zambia, incorrect. And the answer is D, behind the salon. Number 5. Why was Bobby's father reluctant to take the car to Linda's garage? Nemakayei Bobby's father, baba va Bobby, vakazeza kuendesa mota yavo kugarage raLinda nekuti Linda mukadzi. That's the reason. He was disappointed and stranded. Incorrect. He didn't believe females could fix cars. That's the correct answer. He had no money. Incorrect. And he was waiting for his mechanic. Also incorrect. So all these answers, we take them from the comprehension. Zvekuti kana maverenga comprehension makuanza mukaona paine question yamusiri kuziva kuti answer yacho ichii, munofanirwa kutsvaga mucomprehension kuti answer yacho ichii. Which other outstanding job had Linda done before? Linda fixed the school bus. She had fixed Bobby's car. Incorrect. She had fixed the head's car. Incorrect. She had fixed the school bus. That's correct. And she had fixed Tembo's car. Incorrect also. So we have answered comprehension questions 1. Let us opt to go to questions 2, comprehension questions 2. How do we do this? Choose the correct meaning of the words in italics as they are used in the passage. So you remember we were noting the different meanings of different words as they were used in the passage. So number 1, Linda is a young and renowned businesswoman. We said renowned means respected. It can also mean well known. So this would be the answer. It does not mean car owner, does not mean business owner, does not mean loved by many. Renowned actually refers to respect, being well known. Then number 2, the mechanic had gone to Zambia to purchase car parts. The word purchase means to buy. Doesn't mean to borrow, to lend, or to change. Number 3, my father eventually gave in since he had no other alternative. The word alternative, it's an option or a choice, does not mean mechanic, garage, or assistance. Number 4, the word reluctant means unwilling, unwell, unable, unsure. It actually means unsure. So we had said reluctant means hesitant, but hesitant might be a big word. Saka kuti reluctant hausi kunyatsokuziva ndoenda here ndorega here. You are unsure. Mapaona. Number 5, a person who is impressed is very happy. To be impressed, unenge uchigutsikana, unenge uchifara. So you are very happy. You are not sad, you are not very sorry, you are not very sure, you are very happy. So we have finished answering comprehension questions to Linda Scarage.